Hello, friends. Good morning to all of you. Welcome to pre-market session report 13th October 2022. Myself, Manish Salvi from Market Sarthi. Let's talk about yesterday market. Yesterday market has rallied uh, after the day before yesterday fall, where the day before yesterday it made a bearish engulfing type of candle, whereas yesterday market has rallied from the bottom and it has moved up around 140 points. Say Nifty moved up 140 points from the previous closing, and that rally was backed by banking stocks, real estates and FMCG, जहाँ पर बैंकिंग और रियल इस्टेट्स में बहुत अच्छा खासा मूव अप मूव देखने को मिला, as well as you can say Sensex closed around 480 points higher at 57,626 points, and Bank Nifty is around 400 points higher. So overall, that yesterday it was the win-win situations for the bulls rather than bears, and the market managed to close on a green note. And talking about the FIIs, yes, FIIs and DIIs data. So FIIs selling which was continuously higher selling in 4 digits. Now yesterday FIIs sold around 542 crores of shares in cash market, whereas the DII bought around 85 crores of the shares in the market. So this is what overall that yesterday there was a moreover win situation for the bull, and the market managed to sustain at the higher level and close in the green note. Talking about overnight market, then even though there was some sort of rally in Indian market, but at the end when the US and Europe market closed, they closed at the red note. Like Dow Jones closed at the 29,210, जो कि 28 पॉइंट्स के लॉस के साथ, S&P 500 भी 11 पॉइंट्स के लॉस के साथ 3573 पे क्लोज हुआ. डैक्स it's the 12,172 पर 47-48 पॉइंट के लॉस के साथ क्लोज हुआ. FTSE भी अराउंड सेम अमाउंट ऑफ अराउंड 1% के साथ नेगेटिव नोट्स पे क्लोज हुआ. टॉकिंग अबाउट टेक इंडेक्स स्लाइटली फ्लैट नोट. दैट्स द टेक इंडेक्स मीन्स कि नेस्डेक 100 जो कि केवल और केवल टेक्नोलॉजी स्टॉक्स का बना हुआ इंडेक्स है, वो only that index is managed to hold the market, and somewhere it closed at a flat note with a loss of 9.09 points. So this is what the overall understanding of the global markets say about Europe and US, which is overall summary saying that it is bearish as of now. Also talking about the Asia Pacific, now it is also having a fear of the upcoming recession. Because of that, the currencies of these Asian markets are falling against the US dollar. सो उसकी वजह से मार्केट पे बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट देखने को मिला. जापानीज निकाई यू कैन सी दैट अभी ट्रेड करता हुआ नजर आ रहा है 102 पॉइंट के लॉस के साथ 26,250 पर. साउथ कोरिया कॉस्पी इज अराउंड -17.41, वेयर इट इज ट्रेडिंग एट 2185. S&P SX 200 जो कि ऑस्ट्रेलियन इंडेक्स है, वो समवेयर पॉजिटिव नोट्स पे ट्रेड करता नजर आ रहा है. बट overall the Asian markets, or especially Asian markets, are having pressure because of the currency weakening against the dollar. And continuously I'm watching every day that China and Hong Kong, I don't know what is happening over there, but even though some markets are on flat, some are positive, but Chinese and Hong Kong index are keep on falling every day. तो यहाँ पर हांगकॉन्ग अगर देखें तो 16,668 के पॉइंट्स पर 33 पॉइंट्स के लॉस के साथ अभी ट्रेड कर रहा है. सो at the end I can say that the market is on a bearish note, and right now market may take some time to recover or rebound from the current levels, and for the time being market में थोड़ा volatility के साथ negative biasness बनी रह सकती है. SGX Nifty also trading at 17,052. So market is about to open around 50 points negative, but though it is today's is expiry, the weekly contract expiry, so I can assume कि थोड़ा सा volatility रह सकता है. and before the today at 6 p.m. there's a CPI data, consumer price index data, and in afternoon German CPI data is about to come. So overall there might be a volatility with the negative biasness can be observed in the market. Talking about the currency, as I explained you that the dollar जो है continuously एक higher notes पे 113 points के आसपास 113 डॉलर के आसपास ट्रेड कर रहा है, which is continuously to be trade in upcoming days, and इसका impact Asian markets की currencies पे like Japanese has lost around 146 base cents against the dollar. So this every currency, it's not only Japanese, Indian currency is also facing the same. Like last 3 days में Indian currency में थोड़ा सा recovery देखा गया था, but today again it is lose its grip and now trading around 82.257 with a loss of 5 paisa, and might be possible this loss can be extended in upcoming days or today or tomorrow trading session. So we can say that overall currency market is under pressure. Overall global market is somewhere trading with a bearish note. Crude oil, again the demand is falling in the crude oil. That's keeping the crude oil into the downside continuously. Crude oil में एक फॉल देखने को नजर आ रहा है आज भी. आज क्रूड ऑयल समवेयर फ्लैट नोट पर है, बट ओवरऑल क्रूड ऑयल में एक नेगेटिव बायसनेस बना हुआ है. आफ्टर 3 days फार समवेयर इट इज ट्रेडिंग एट अ ग्रीन नोट, बट फियर ऑफ वीकनिंग डिमांड, उसकी वजह से क्रूड ऑयल में एक प्रेशर देखने को मिल रहा है. ऑन टेक्निकल चार्ट, निफ्टी के टेक्निकल चार्ट्स की बात करूं तो समवेयर निफ्टी इज हैविंग सपोर्ट एट अराउंड 16,950. उसके बाद अगला सपोर्ट अगर देखें तो 16,780 के आसपास, 740 या 780 के आसपास सपोर्ट देखने को मिल सकता है. बट ओवरऑल मार्केट इज लाइकली टू हॉवर अराउंड 17,000 मार्क, as max span is around 17,100. So market is likely to hover today around this particular 17,100, and higher side में देखें तो 17,350 is a near term support, near term resistance, followed by that 17,450. On a daily chart, or say it is trading below 200 DMA. It is continuously trading below 200 DMA, and RSI is also below 45. So there is no directional movement is coming as of now with the volatility. Although there is a volatility, but there is no direction in the market, as market yesterday went up, now today went down by 50 points. So this sort of volatility with the non-directional movement can be observed in upcoming days. VIX is also trading at 20 or 20.45, but still VIX has rising. Day before, 5 days back it was trading around 18 or 17. Now it is 20.15. So it is somewhere rising. So it is creating, it is showing the fear that is increasing in the market. So overall summary is again on the technical chart. You can see it is somewhere coming to the volatility with the negative notes or the bearish market. अगर बात करें डेरिवेटिव समरी की तो 17,100 पर हाईएस्ट कॉल ऑप्शन राइटिंग देखा गया है. वेयर एज अगर मैक्सिमम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स की बात करूं, मैक्सिमम ओपन इंटरेस्ट की बात करूं तो 36 लाख कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स के साथ 18,000 स्ट्राइक प्राइस इज हैविंग द हाईएस्ट ओपन इंटरेस्ट. वेयर एज नेक्स्ट इज 17,100 विच इज हैविंग 26.5 लाख कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स आर ओपन. वेयर एज इन पुट ऑप्शन में 41,42,000 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स के साथ 17,000 स्ट्राइक प्राइस इज द हाईएस्ट ओपन इंटरेस्ट, having highest open interest, and having highest put writing is observed in last trading session. The next is 16,000 strike price, where the highest contract is open around 33 lakhs. So as per this particular data, we can say that the market can hover around 17,100, as well as on a higher side the market having in the range of 18,000 to around 16,800 or approx. And stocks that's recently moreover the stocks में जो न्यूज़ आ रहा है वो पावर इंडस्ट्री से आ रहा है. पावर इंडस्ट्री लाइक टाटा पावर हैज़ डेवलप अ टाटा मोटर्स 7 मेगावाट सोलर प्रोजेक्ट्स. ये जो प्रोजेक्ट्स है उत्तराखंड में डेवलप करने वाले हैं. दैट गोइंग टू ब्रिंग्स अप देयर कैपेसिटी, एंड एज वेल एज दैट विल रिड्यूस द कार्बन एमिशन in upcoming days. And next from the same sector is the Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy, जिन्हें एक ऑर्डर मिला है एनटीपीसी के थ्रू, एंड प्रपोज्ड ऑर्डर इज 1255 मेगावाट्स एंड 1255 मेगावाट सोलर पीवी प्रोजेक्ट्स. ये जो प्रोजेक्ट्स है, these projects they got in Gujarat, and this is again from पॉजिटिव न्यूज फॉर स्टालिन एंड विल्सन रिन्यूएबल एनर्जीज. बात करें यस्टरडे रिजल्ट्स की, तो यस्टरडे विप्रो एंड एचसीएल टेक्नोलॉजी के रिजल्ट्स आए थे, जहां पर विप्रो में 50% क्वार्टर टू क्वार्टर ऑपरेटिंग मार्जिन में ग्रोथ देखा गया, एंड इंक्रीजिंग प्रीवियस क्वार्टर के कंपैरिजन में 16 बेसिस पॉइंट से ज़्यादा आया है. एंड बात करें एचसीएल टेक्नोलॉजी, इट रिकॉर्डेड 6.3 सिक्वेंशियल ग्रोथ on consolidated profit of profit to 3489 crores, and revenue also increased by 5.2% to 24,686 crores. So these are the results. Somewhere you can say quarter to quarter it is increasing, but it is increasing because of the currency. I mean, though the operating profits are increasing, but एज द करेंसी इज वीकनिंग, करेंसी वीक होने की वजह से इनको फायदा मिल रहा है. और अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर इज अ समवेयर प्रेशर इन द आईटी स्टॉक एज वेल. हॉट न्यूज, दैट्स द सेंट्रल बैंक फेड बैंक जो एफओएमसी मीटिंग माइनस से, उसमें उन्होंने कहा है कि दे नॉट गोइंग टू बी सॉफ्टनिंग. आई मीन वो अपना हॉकिश व्यू स्टैंड कंटिन्यू रखेंगे, and they don't have any plan to reduce or to soften the interest rate in upcoming days because inflation is very high. And one big news is coming from the France, that it is I read one article yesterday, उसमें फ्रांस में कुछ पेट्रोल पंप्स पे पेट्रोल की स्कैसिटी हो गया है. now even the government is not getting the petrol at the France, and as well as the whole Europe में नेचुरल गैस क्राइसिस तो चल ही रहा है, बट दैट अगेन another kind of scarcity coming to the France, which is impacting somewhere negatively to the economy. The Indian CPI data भी एक नेगेटिव नोट्स पे, लाइक जहां पर CPI डेटा में 7.41% का I mean it came at 7.41% against the 7.21% of forecasted. So even after a continuous rise in interest rates, RBI has not been able to control the inflations. या previous month की बात करें तो अगस्त मंथ में 7% का inflation CPI index was having, and this month we are having 7.41% inflation rate. So it is again, you can say that the markets are likely to discount all these data in upcoming days. And talking about the results, today there is going to be results of Infosys, Mindtree, Angel One, and the Anand Rathi, Aditya Birla, and Signed. So these are the major companies. इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी companies के results हैं, but these are the major companies which are having results. And talking about the economic data today, that's the German, as I told you, German CPI, US CPI, and initial job claim, and the crude oil inventory is going to come. Next and last for the day is the thought for the day. Most important quality for an investor is the temperament, not an intellect. I mean, you can have a skill, you can have intellect, you can make a lot of money, but until and unless you have a right temperament in the market, you cannot be run yourself, or you cannot stay in the market for a longer run. So right temperament for yourself should be there to stay longer and to make money for a longer time in the market, is what Warren Buffett says, and is what I believe that it is very true that everyone should be like this quote, like they should be having right temperament for the day. So that's it for the day. Have a nice time, have a happy trading, and keep watching us for further updates, and subscribe, and please click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification as soon as I started this particular pre-market session report. Thank you very much.